You're such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl. What you doing, pretty baby? Oh, precious. Oh, precious. What you doing this morning? You're so pretty. Such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty baby. So good morning. This is Anne Arundel County Animal Care and Control in Millersville, Maryland. Coming to you live today. This is Precious that we're starting off with. Precious, we guesstimated around 12 years old. She's a spayed female, and she's super, super sweet, and she's looking for a new home. She's a chunky girl, so she needs to be on a diet. She is always hungry. You're always hungry, aren't you, baby? Yeah. Let me clean her bum. I know it's kind of weird to say, but you know, she does need a little bum wipe every day until she loses enough weight where she can clean it herself. In the meantime, she licks her side a little bit because she wants to clean her own bottom, but can't reach it. So she licks her side because it feels to her like she's trying to clean herself, and it satisfies that need and that urge to be clean. But like I said, she does let me do it, and she's very good about it. Yeah, she's a very sweet girl and looking for a new home. She tolerates the presence of a calm dog. This is Buddy, my dog, who cats tend to really love. Precious doesn't love him, but she tolerates his presence. She kind of looks at him when he's sleeping and will hiss at him and maybe grumble a little. But she never swats at him or anything. I think she'd rather not live with a dog, but if you have a respectful dog, she'd be okay with it. All right, moving along. Let me get my keys so I don't get locked out. Okay. All right, Precious. I'll be back. She says, more food, please. More food. There's Precious's card. She came in at 20.6. I haven't weighed her yet to see if she's lost any weight. I'm kind of hoping that she's lost some weight, but we'll see. We're gonna move on to Maggie here. We got Maggie, who is also an owner surrender. Maggie's 3, spayed female. Maggie was very scared when she came in. Hi, Maggie. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Who's a pretty girl? Huh? You wanna come say hello? She's coming out of her shell. She loves her office mate and will sit and cuddle with her. She gets all up in her lap and in her business and demands attentions. Right, Maggie? Right, baby? She says, I don't know you that well. She's a very sweet girl. Oh, that's a pretty girl. There's a pretty Maggie. Yeah, she says, where's my office mama? Where's my office mama? Yeah, where is she? You're such a pretty baby, huh? I smell like Precious. Yeah, she says, ugh, you stink like somebody else. Oh, Maggie, you're such a pretty girl. And Maggie is looking for a new home. She's a sweet baby. It takes her some time to settle in, but when she does, she's very loving and affectionate. All right. Okay. I am going to go backwards about this today. We got a couple more office cats I'm going to show you. And we'll go back to intake and see what's right there. We have little Abigail here. take a moment. Abigail came in with some babies. She's a sweet girl.
Oh, I'll come in so they can see how lovely she is.
Here's Abigail. She's a pretty girl. Huh?
Hi, Abs. Say hi to Facebook Live so they all adopt you. Yes. She was good. Yeah, she's a good baby. She is a lovely cat. She'll probably take about a week to warm up. She gets scared quickly. That's the only reason. And then after that, you're her best friend. See? The elevators. Yes. And she does good head loops. Yes. Uh-oh. Chair's moving.
Right now she's hanging out with a wee one. Yeah. Yeah. Crazy. Crazy kitten. There's your dose of cute for the day.
Yeah.
But she's a very good mama.
She's a good girl.
Thank you.
Good girl.
And that's Abigail. Alright, and we got Noom in here. Noom. Noom is a very zoomy kitty.
Noom's nice too.
Hence the name Noom. Because I guess they didn't want to call him Zoom.
And he might be okay with dogs because there was a dog in here and he was not reactive.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you might be okay with doggies?
Yeah.
Huh? And you. Hi, baby. Hi. Meow. Hi. Here's Noom's card. He's a young man. 10 months. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Meow. No, no, no. He says, yes, yes, please. I would like to exit cage. No, no, not right now. I know. Your office seats are here. And I can't juggle you. I know. You just please get me out of here. I know. You tell him. You tell him. Like you tell him. Say, I don't want to be in a cage. I would like to be out of the cage, please.
That's pretty hard to do.
All right. Find you the live. Excuse me. Thank you. Back here this morning when we came in. What do we have here? We got 2 kittens, possible ringworms, so I am not going to dig any further in there.
They should be going to rescue.
Excellent. Oh, we got stray kitty overnight. Scared, hiding behind the litter box. More stray kitty. Look at this big fluffy king. Look at this big fluffy thing. Wow. Oh no. Is this a stray? Really? Really? Come on. Look at it. Look at that big baby. How are you running anywhere loose?
It was trapped in our household, I think, but stray. There's 5.
Oh, 5 strays from the same house. I've been doing this for too long. I'm not going to say anymore. Yeah. Okay. We got asparagus here. Asparagus, little boy, altered male. Tumbleweed is hiding. She's a 40 point Siamese, so we're not going to be able to see her in there. And we have Abracadabra. Oh, I think Abracadabra. No, you're there. Okay. Somebody was looking for your paperwork earlier today. Came in as a stray little girl, all black. Are you a house panther? Yeah, you're a house panther. And that's everybody back here that's new.
Ooh, I like that one too.
Okay. Imagine any new dogs we have. Let's see next. might be that coming over the weekend, but I'm not gonna tell. Alright. We got Princess Peach. She's a little kitty. You look bigger than 3 months old. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take a better look at your age. Wendy and Tudette. Says they give ups. And Koopa Troopa. Mario. Yoshi. Buttercup. Buttercup's a scared baby. Buttercup's hiding. But says she's under surrender, so she'll be looking for a new home. We got Lemmy here. Lemmy! And Float. Float, you're cute. Float's under a 4-month quarantine because came in with a wound of unknown origin. Alright, we got Minister, owner surrender here. Hi, big guy. Hi. Princess Daisy. Oh, she's scared. We got Greta. Greta is hiding today. Hey, Greta, you in there? She's scared. Tugboat. Oh, big old Tugboat. He's such a handsome boy. Yeah. Tugboat was found on base. Nobody's come looking for him. He's got a microchip that was implanted in Germany, but not registered anywhere. Microchips don't work if you don't register them anywhere. Cheese pizza. Cheese pizza must have been in foster for a while. She came in with babies. Hi, darling. Hi. Who's a pretty girl? So pretty. That's everybody in here. Alright. We're going to see the doggies next. We got Honey. Hi, Honey. Sassy? Hi, Sass. Hi, Sassy. What you doing, baby? Oh, she's so scared. We got Delilah. Hi, baby. Huh? We got Mama. We got Russell. Hi, Russell. What's going on, dude? What's going on? Tracy. Hi, Tracy. Hi, pretty baby. We got Rose. How's it going, handsome boy? How's it going? What are you doing? We got Murphy. You want to do it? Murphy! Hi, you want to say hi? Huh? Come baby. Come baby. Your breakfast is over here. She says, no, I'll wait for someone to take me outside. We got Salsa. Salsa! Oh, it's a pretty girl. It's a pretty girl. We got Shadow. Hey, Shadow, you're a wild man. Are you a wild man? I heard you're a wild man. He's cute. We got Tara. We got little Polka. Hi, Polka. I know. We got Goober. And Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Alright, and that brings us back as I hit my head on the hose. Lots of kitties. So we're going to start back here. Capybara. Hi, baby. She's such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl. And we have Charlie. Meow. Hey, Charlie. You're a handsome floofmeister. Yeah. You're a handsome floofmeister. This is Amy. Amy's just shy of 3. Hi, Amy. Hi, baby. She says, I really would like to be out of this cage. We have Piper. Owner surrender bonded with Reed. And Reed's card is here. Hey, Piper. Where's your buddy? Huh? Where's your buddy Reed? Is he hiding under the blankets? I can't see him. We have Mia, my lovely, lovely Mia. Hi, Mia, baby. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, what are you doing? That was a strange way to get down off the bed. Yes, it was. Mia needs to lose a few pounds. She's a big girl. Kind of like my office, Precious, my office mate. We got Ginny here. Hi, Ginny. Ginny says, I'm thirsty. It's a thirsty house panther. Pretty girl. We got Biscuit under surrender. Hey, Biscuit. Oh, there's Biscuit. I see Biscuit. We're gonna do a little zoom. There's Biscuit. Poor little scared Biscuit. And we have Ice Cream Machine. Big old handsome boy. Hey, handsome guy. How's it going? Huh? How's it going? You're so handsome. We have Muffin Top. Muffin Top's a handsome boy. Came in as a stray, if anybody recognizes him. Yeah. See, where's my people? My people need to come and look for me. I'd like to go back home. Hey, Muffin. Yeah, such a handsome boy. We got Charles here. Hi, Charles. You're cute. Little cutie patootie. Young man. Yeah, young man. We got fried green beans. Fried green bean. You're a handsome boy. Yes, handsome ginger. Victoria, no, I'm sorry. We're not open on Mondays. But we do open tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. if you want to come visit us. Taking a moment to look. Oh, Kathy, you answered. Thanks, Kathy. We got Precious Poppy here. I tend to not look at comments. My apologies. And then when I do, it distracts me. I'm easily distracted. Precious Poppy is busy with her breakfast. We have Kaiba. Came in as a stray. He's a handsome, handsome boy. Look at those blue eyes. You're just gorgeous. We have Mittens. Hi, Mittens. You pretty lady. Another water drinker. Yeah, I'm just catching you guys right after you got your breakfast and your fresh waters. Yeah. We got Swivel. Came in initially as a stray. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, how's a pretty girl? We have Coke Zero. Hey, Coke Zero. I can't get around that name for you. I'm sorry. Yeah. She's a little house painter. We got Patty Melt. Oh, sweet, sweet baby Patty Melt. Sweet, sweet baby. Patty Melt has had a dental, and she is ready to go to a new home, and she would really like to be out of the cage. So if there's anybody who would like to adopt a sweet older lady, she is very darling. In fact, we're gonna do a little showcasing of Patty Melt. Hey, Patty. Hey, come here. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweet baby. Yeah, she's such a pretty girl. She says, I'm an old lady. I don't deserve to live in a cage. No. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. That's Patty Melt. Archipelago. What a sweet, affectionate little girl you are. Huh? You're a pretty girl. Hi. She has one eye. Yeah. But she says, that won't stop me. That won't stop me from being a regular kitty. I have a cat with no eyes. It doesn't stop him. We got Figgy. Figgy's an owner surrender, 12 years old. Another one doesn't deserve to be in a cage. So if anybody can come adopt a sweet, sweet older kitty. We got Iggy. Iggy's just a baby at 6 months. Oh, Iggy and Rosalina. Yeah, pair of kitties. Pretty babies. have Mama Cat. Hey, Mama. Hi. Hi, Mama Cat. Oh, the biscuits. Oh, the biscuits. Oh, you gotta make some biscuits. Oh, you're making me hungry, baby. Yeah, you're making me hungry. Oh, we got some biscuits. They'll be ready in 20. Yeah. We have Kiara. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. She says, I'm lost. I would like to go back home. Who's a pretty girl? Huh? Who's a pretty girl? Huh. Fun dip. I really need to feed my intake technicians. They are a hungry bunch of ladies. How'd you get Fun Dip? I just don't know. But I think I need to start feeding these people. Maybe some Snickers bars back there or something. Then they'll all be named Snickers. So we got Stormy here. Stormy's having his breakfast. Hey, big guy. Stormy's last kitty in here. We had a big adoption day Saturday. That was really good. I was really happy to see Avalanche get out of here. He kind of reminds me of one of the other kitties in here. He was just young and really energetic and really needed to get out of here. So, all right, we got some more kitties to see and some critters. Here we do. Pepperoni and mushroom. More hungry people. We got pizza kittens. Yeah. Hi. Hi, cuties. And we have Lucy. Hi, Goosey. Hi. How's it going, pretty girl? How's it going, pretty girl? Huh? You stretching? We have Hoagie. Hoagie. Hi, Hoagie. Hi. We have Vroom Vroom. Oh my goodness. Little monster man. Little house panther in the making. Why are you hiding behind there? There we go. There we go. There we go. He says, hey, get me out of here. And we have Ladybug. Ladybug owner surrender. He's gonna have surgery to get spayed on the 18th. If I get that stupid card there. Ladybug! She says, I'm hiding. I'm not coming in after you, though. Okay. Let's see, we have big, thick. This is one of the kitties that you got to see. I came in over the weekend. Hi, big guy. So they're all getting looked over and checked in and assigned to their locations. We got Hoover. Hoover's a scared boy. We got Wybie. I think Wybie wants to know why he be here. Say, Wybie, I hear. Huh? Oh, Meryl. Yeah, why you here, Wybie? Yeah. Wybie's a Bengal mix. He's a skinny boy. Yeah. Skinny old man. We got Binks. Hey, Binks. You're a cute little dude. Yeah, he's cute. All right, trying to think. We've seen all the office kitties. We've seen receiving. We're going to go up to the critters now. Yeah, it's pet, and you didn't see it through. That doesn't mean just go right into a foster home. Depends on how many cages we have available. So any animals that are here, but maybe not physically in the building, can be seen on our website. So definitely take a look if you're missing an animal or looking to adopt, because we have a lot of animals in foster. So we got Crumble and Cookie. Hi, babies. See if I can open this without. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Cute little piggies. Is there somebody hiding in there? Yep, there is. We got little possum here. Hey, possum. Huh? You want to come out and say hi? Huh? You want to come out and say hi? He said no. No. Cute little fuzzy-headed guinea piggy. We're in the process of cleaning in here, so pardon the mess. We got kielbasa and pulled pork. Hi. Hi, they're so cute. Look at him. He's like, oh, are you here for me? I come up and say hello? Yes. They're a cute little pair of boys. They're a cute little pair of boys. And we have her. We have three ladies here. We have her, Minx, and Razzle. Her, Minx, and Razzle. And they are fuzzy little lady guinea piggies. Look at these little fuzzy-headed things. They're adorable. We have Hamster. She says, I don't want to be confused with by my name. I just like to identify as a hamster. Yeah. She's such a cute little girl, though. You're such a cute little piggy. Nim, 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 nim. I love guinea pigs. They're adorable. We got Ginger here. Ginger. Oh, there you are, Ginger. Hi, baby. Hi. Come on, focus. There we go. That's a little better. We have Basil. Basil, are you going to come say hi, or are you going to run and hide? He's another fuzzy piggy. There you go. He looks like a Lhasa. Fuzzy boy. And we have JB here. Hi, JB. Hi. Oh, this scared boy. What is it? If I stick my head through the bars that way or through the portal, you can't see me? I can't see you, you can't see me? Is that what it is? Alright, so JB is the last critter I have to show you guys. Please share the video with your friends. The more sets of eyes we can reach, the more homes we can find, and the more animals we can reunite. Please be kind to each other. Be responsible with your pets. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.